All right, in this video, I'm going to do some problems in your homework using the change of base formula. And I covered this concept before in another video, but I'm gonna just do some more examples because I think students, when they get to this section, they forget. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that again. So let me share my screen. And take you to the homework. Here we are. That's the wrong one. Hold on, this one. It says find the logarithm using the change of base formula. And in your calculator, the change of base formula is, not all log functions are stored. Only 2 log functions are stored in your calculator. It would be impossible to store all of them because there are infinitely many functions. So the change of base formula just says that if you have log base A of X, let's say, that's just log of X over log of A, and that's using the common log, or you could use the natural log of X over the natural log of A. So if we go to the calculator, in this case, it's log base 9 of 50. So you're going to, now make sure you're consistent. You either stick with the log or you stick with the natural log. Don't go switching them because then you'll get the wrong answer. So here we have log of 50, and the top number is always on top. That's easy to remember. So the base is on the bottom. Remember, the base is on the bottom. So I'm going to start with log of 50 because the base is 9, and I'm going to divide by the log of 9. Okay. So rounding it to the hundredths place is 1.78. Let's see. Oh, they want 4 decimal places. Okay, that would be 1.7804. So 1.7804. All right, let's see if there's another one here. Now it says use the change of base formula to approximate the following expression. So now we actually have to do 2 calculations and then we have to add the results. Now, you don't have to do that though. Notice that the bases are the same and we have the sum of the logs. So we can just combine these into one log, and that's going to be the log of the product of 8 and 2. So that would be log base 3 of 16. So on my calculator, I'm going to do, now this time I'm going to do natural log. Natural log of 16, remember the base is on the bottom, divided by the natural log of 3. If I remember correctly, the base was 3. Okay, now, like I said, be careful, make sure your logs are the same. You can either use the common log or you can use the natural log, but you can't use both of them in the same calculation. So be careful of that. So this time to the 4th decimal place, if that's what they want, is 2.5237. 2.5237. Oh, it says near thousands. 2.524. Let me just double check that and show you that right. Yes, rounding up to the thousands place is going to give me 2.524. Okay. So that's how we do those. And that's the change of base formula. Let me stop sharing so you can see that formula. Okay. Take the log, either the common log or the natural log, but be consistent. The base is always on the bottom, so you have the log of X divided by the log of A. Okay.